welcome back to my channel. It's me, B, and welcome back to the Beehive. If you are new to my channel, welcome, and if you are not new, then welcome back. Today's video, I'm going to be doing a twist out on my hair. I just washed, or I co-washed my hair using the VO5. This is the passion fruit smoothie with soy milk protein. It's a moisturizing conditioner and it says soften and shine. And I got this from the Dollar Tree. I wasn't going to use any expensive product to co-wash my hair because I honestly washed and deep conditioned last week, and I just need to redo my hair because I have an event coming up and I want my twist out to be bomb. So I'm twisting my hair today and I'm not taking it out until Friday. But yeah, I just need something to loosen up because I did use gel on top of my hair, and that was the only product that I had in there. I didn't have anything else. I oiled my scalp maybe a couple times, but that was it. Like, my hair was just out and I needed to do something to kind of loosen it up and detangle it a little bit. So I did finger detangle in the shower, only using this conditioner, and I must say, it's not bad. For $1 you get 15 ounces of conditioner, and I used it once before and I just used it again, and I'm at half of the bottle now. So you get a good amount of conditioner for only $1. For anyone who's new to my channel, forgive me for my appearance today, but I literally just got out of the shower and I wasn't about to do the whole 9 and put makeup on, and I'm going through some kind of crisis right now. My cycle is coming, and that's why I'm breaking out. I'm having a really bad breakout, honestly. I don't know what's going on, but I'm breaking out all around my mouth and my face. I'm just going through it. I don't know what's going on, but anyway, with all that being said, you guys, I know I was blabbering for a while, but I'm not going to be talking too much in this video. I will show you what I'm using, and then after that, everything else is probably just going to be sped up, and I might do a voiceover, who knows. But if you guys just like watching me do my hair, or if you just like watching people do their hair, then this video is for you. If you want a more in-depth video on how I do my twist out, then I will link that video in the cards, either up here or somewhere here, and I'll also put it down in the description. But today I'm just going to be using simple products, nothing crazy. I'm going to be using the African Pride Moisture Miracle Coconut Oil and Baobab Oil Hydrate and Strengthen Leave-In Cream. And I'm going to be using this as my leave-in. Also, I'm going to be sealing that in with the hair butter that I make. This is the hair butter cream. It's a shea butter, coconut butter, shea butter and cocoa butter mix. It has a bunch of other things in there. If you're want to know more about this, then I'll also link that in the description, and I'll also be going in with my oil. And when I'm done, I'll be moisturizing my scalp with my serum. So yeah, simple products, nothing crazy. I'm not going to be using a gel or anything like that. I'm doing a wet twist out so I can get the definition that I'm looking for. So here you guys are able to see maybe somewhat of my real texture without damage in it. So this is the very front of my hair. As you can see, the hair is not defined at all, but the curls are not tight either. So what would you consider my texture to be? I mean, I don't really like to type hair type, but I really don't know, you guys. My hair texture is just all over the place. All over the place. This front section is going to be super moisturized. We're locking in that moisture, okay? We're locking in, baby. Okay, so I got one half of my head done. So the front part isn't that short. I'm pretty sure when I take it out, it'll be like, you know, kind of, I don't know, not tapered, but I just could not deal. Like, I kind of want to chop this one off too. Like, I'm just ready to let go and let God do his thing, okay? Because the back, like up here, this can go. Like, don't be surprised if by next week I chop off this part too. But let me stop, like, you know, messing up my hair. And okay, let me do the other side, and then I'll come back to you guys with the finished look. But basically, that's what I'm gonna do all around my head. My hair is very wet. This should take a couple of days to dry, but that's okay because I don't plan on taking it out anytime soon. So I just wanted to show you guys, you know, the gist of how I, you know, do my twist out, how I prep my hair for my twist out. And then when y'all see this twist out, y'all gonna be like, no wonder why, you know, she did all that. But I'm gonna do this side of my head, and then I'll come back to you guys once I'm all done. Okay, you guys, so I got cream all over my face, on my glasses. Sorry that I look a hot mess, but listen, y'all are getting real time. This is what I look like when I'm doing my hair. But I'm just gonna go in with the serum, and this is basically a serum that I make as well. Listen, y'all, I make all my shit, okay? But I'm just gonna put that on my scalp. This serum is a little bit stronger than my regular oil that I make for my hair. With this one, it's just strictly like castor oil, sesame seed oil, black seed oil, some peppermint and lavender. Basically a lot of really heavy oils that promote hair growth. So going in with that, and I'm just literally rubbing that on my scalp. And then I'm gonna put my hair back. I'm gonna throw my wig cap on and I'm gonna rock my wig for a few days. Then I'm going to put perm rods on the ends of these on Friday so they can be nice and curly on Saturday, and that's when I'm gonna take them down. But yeah, so this is just what my twists look like. This is what they look like on this side. Now my hair is not even at all, but I'm not gonna get another haircut until maybe January again. So from now until January, I'll just be snipping away all the dead ends. So January 2020, my hair should be damage-free, heat damage-free. I haven't flat ironed my hair since, I can't even remember. I cut my hair in January. It's May now, and I haven't put a flat iron to it. I think I blow dried maybe a few times. But we're gonna try to stay away from that flat iron because Shorty is trying to have plump twists like this all throughout my hair, okay? Okay. Almost got it. But yeah, you guys, so that's basically the end of this video. It was real quick, you know, nothing crazy. I really didn't set up, I really didn't plan on filming, but I was like, you know what, if I'm doing my hair, y'all need to see what I'm doing, how I, you know, take care of my hair in real life. So hope you guys like this video. Give it a thumbs up if you did. Hit the subscribe button down below if you haven't hit it already, and all the information that you will need and the things that I've used in this video will be down in the description bar. And thank you so much for watching, you guys. I'll see you in my next video. I love you so much. Bye.